it's Dr. David Green, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the nation's leader in regenerative aesthetics training. What makes the R3 training better for aesthetics than any others that you might attend? Well, first of all, we're hands-on. The way that ours works is you'll see the trainers talk about the procedures with the relevant anatomy and technique, and then you'll see them actually do a procedure on a model, and then it's hands-on time. You get to work with the trainers to actually feel the technique and understand, needle placement and whatnot. Actually do these nerve blocks and things that are going to help with things like the hair restoration and the facial rejuvenation procedures. So it's really important that that takes place, because doing injections on a pig skin or things like that are not really going to give you the confidence that you need to actually get in front of patients and sell yourself. We've talked to a lot of other providers who've attended training where basically there's maybe 15, 20 people around one model, and they're doing procedures with a trainer where they might get to do like one pass of a needle or something like that. And that's just not adequate enough to give you the actual confidence that you want, when you go back to your practice. In addition, everybody that comes to our training gets a procedure. So what that means is you'll be able to sit in front of prospective patients in your office and say, look, not only have I done these procedures, I've actually had one, myself. So visit us online today at stemcelltrainingcourse.org/aesthetics. You see a lot of information about when these courses are, the location, and if you need further information, just call us 844-GET-STEM. We'll be happy to give you all the information that you need. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you.